Welcome to our Facebook and Instagram Ads Beginners course. This particular course is designed for that individual who is looking at acquiring a new skill in the area of digital advertising and is well on his journey to becoming a Meta Ads expert, or that small business owner who just wants to be able to create Facebook and Instagram ads for his or her business via his or her mobile phone without having to pay a whole lot to experts to create this particular ad for them. My name is Joshua Amobi and I'm a Meta Ads expert, and I've trained over 5,000 business owners, small business owners, in the aspects and areas of Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising for their business. On this playlist, we have every single video tutorial that has to do with Facebook ads, starting from creating a Facebook page to creating your first Facebook ad via the Ads Manager app, to creating a lead generation ad, to creating a sales ad via WhatsApp. We will show you how to do all this, how to create all these ads via your mobile phone. To get started, you just need your mobile phone and a few apps that you need to download so that you'll be able to create Facebook and Instagram ads via your mobile device. So you need to get the Ad Manager app, and also you need to get the Meta Business Suite app, and also you need to get your Facebook app and your Instagram app. I believe you must have had your Facebook and your Instagram app already. In the description below, I'll be leaving a link to the entire course playlist so that you can be able to get started with whichever video tutorials that you want to get started with. Just in case if you don't want to get started with the next video that will be playing after this video, or probably YouTube doesn't play the next video that is available on this playlist, you can use the link in the description to access the entire course playlist for yourself. And if you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel, because on this channel we upload a new video every single week, and we cover other areas of advertising and other platforms of advertising other than Meta. So we cover Google ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, X ads. So we cover all these other areas of advertising on this channel. And also on this particular playlist especially, we'll be inviting collaborators, experts in phone photography, phone videography, designing graphics with your mobile phone, content creators, copywriters, ad creative designers. We'll be inviting these experts to collaborate on this particular playlist. So do well to subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified when these new videos are uploaded on the playlist. So with that being said, let's get started.